Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a large number of photos to Google Drive directly from your computer, quickly, efficiently, and without missing a single file. If your storage is cluttered or you just want a safe place for all your pictures, this step-by-step 2025 guide will make it super simple. So stick around because I'll also share a quick tip to keep your uploads organized and prevent errors along the way. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want to store your photos. Now you have two main methods for bulk uploading. Drag and drop, or using the upload feature, drag and drop. Open the folder on your computer where your photos are stored. Select all the images you want to upload. You can press Ctrl+A on Windows, or Command+A on Mac to select everything at once. Then simply drag the selection over to your Google Drive window and drop it. Google Drive will start uploading instantly and show you the progress in the bottom right corner. File upload option. If you prefer a more structured way, click the plus new button on the top left corner of Google Drive, then select File Upload or Folder Upload. If all your photos are inside one folder, go with Folder Upload. This will maintain your existing structure. While uploading, make sure your internet connection is stable. Large files or hundreds of photos may take a while, so keep the tab open until the upload is complete. Google Drive will also alert you if any file failed to upload, so you can retry it without missing anything. Stay organized. Before you upload, consider creating a dedicated folder in Google Drive named something like Vacation 2025 or Photo Archive. That way, your photos won't get mixed up with other files and everything stays neat and easy to find. And that's it. Uploading bulk photos to Google Drive from your computer is that easy. Drag, drop, or upload, and you're done. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. And if you have any questions or want me to cover more Google Drive tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.